I just woke up, had an amazing breakfast here at the hotel that I'm at, well, at the guest house. Now, I booked an excursion yesterday for today. We're gonna do, it's like 5 hours. We're going kayaking, whitewater kayaking, so it's gonna be serious. There was like levels. There was like an intermediate one. I took the like serious one, so we'll see how it goes. We just got here. About to go kayaking. Got my two homies from Australia.
What's up, bro?
So, we just had a little pit stop. We're in, I don't know where I'm at right now, but we're about to go kayaking. While we were on our way, we were on the highway, and one of our bags, like on the top, fell off in the middle of the highway, and we had to back up in the side lane and go and pick up our bag in the middle of the highway. It was insane. People were like passing it. It was a bag full of helmets, so it was pretty heavy. I'll give you guys a quick view of this city that we're in. We're only stopping here for like 2 minutes. Got a little coffee shop, a little mini, oh, it's like a Super C, but mini. And obviously we got some food here. Yeah, that looks good. Some places to go to when I get to PP Islands. What they're called?
Banana Bar. There's one more, but yeah.
There's Treehouse.
Treehouse.
It's called Treehouse. Yeah.
Forward right, no back. But you can move forward left. And go all the way in, See that you're climbing the wrong way again.
In this one?
Just point the nose towards land. Good. Ready it out. Okay, forward right only.
Whew.
Right here. Push yourself either forward or back. You can probably just push forward like this. Lean forward.
Okay, from here we kind of walking up there a bit to the left along up there.
Probably don't want to go between the kids and the mom. That's a big elephant, huh?
Yeah, that's huge. That's crazy. It's insane. Oh shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh.
But we do have some very good elephant steak if you're interested.
Elephant steak?
Yeah,
What?
baby elephant butts.
No way.
I'm just kidding. Joking. But it was the wrong timing. I should have waited till you sat down. Who's having?
It smells good.
Oh man.
Yeah, so hungry.
Fonts rising.
We got a nice little group.
It was not as crazy as I feared. A lot of the time I was even backpedaling.
Thought it would be a little bit more crazy. Thought there would be more rapids.
Flowing a bit more, maybe it might be a bit more hectic.